how to log into Belfius Bank. So you should be able to do this in your preferred browser if you want, but it's much safer to do it in the app as well so that you know it's the more official one. So just go ahead to your Play Store or App Store and search for the Belfius Bank. So press on the search button, search for Belfius directly, and you should be able to get that option. Once you install the app, of course, press on open and you will be directly led to their main screen before logging in. So in the bottom, there is a login button over there, of course. Then if you have your card, just go ahead and select which one. Since pressing on the login button brings you to creating your profile, so choose whichever, either your Belfius web card or your Isabel card. So once you go ahead and press on that, put in the details of your card, of course, over here. And if you went for the other one, it's basically your user ID. So your Isabel user number, put it over here. And if you forgot it, just go ahead and press on this and it will make you recover your own ID or basically verify that you are the actual owner of the card. So just go ahead and choose from whichever and continue the process and you will be able to log in to your Belfius Bank. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.